As the market returns back to record highs and geopolitical uncertainty is rising again, hesitation is starting to take hold. This clearly takes the form of trading being confined to a narrower range, price reverting back to the mean in Bollinger Bands, and even 3 consecutive closes under the ALMA. So extending up to this range is getting put on the back burner for now. Instead, attention will be focused on whether contact can be maintained in the low 600 range. Now, let's add a fib time zone and channel based from the current uptrend that began in early April. If there aren't decisive closes back into the low 600s by early July, a more defined downtrend can begin to emerge, resulting in a relatively easy break into the lower band of the channel. In such a scenario, daily selling volume at or above 86 million would likely be enough for a break towards the mid-500 range. This kind of move would also likely coincide with possible escalations of geopolitical tensions, heading further into July when the next fib time interval begins. That's why even if a stock like Rocket Lab can maintain bullish momentum, it would still likely require daily bullish volume at or above 33 million to keep aggressively channeling higher. Otherwise, falling out of contact with the low 30s can see some range-bound movement out of the channel, leading to pressure on the mid-20s boundary. For ACHR Aviation, price has been cruising along since the recent gap down. Mixed, neutral, and indecisive signals are reflected in all types of indicators from the Keltner channel, moving average, ALMA, gradually flat and falling ATR, CCI and Bollinger Bands %B remaining flat at mid to low values, along with both Arun, upper and lower declining. So the best case bullish scenario in the near future would likely be filling in the gap along the fib arc by the next fib time zone line in early July. If price is stuck in a narrow range around the gap down and $10 boundary, the stock would likely be following the broader market more closely. So unless there are news catalysts like progress on type certification or new partnerships, ACHR could be falling into a holding pattern waiting for market uncertainty to pass. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.